Hello, my name is Mark Weiss, hair and makeup artist here in New York City in the freelance. I work in commercial print, fashion, and entertainment celebrity. I've had some people tell me that they have some fake or synthetic wig at home, and it tends to get a little bit weird and, out of style. So they've asked me, how do I smooth out a fake synthetic wig? So the best thing that I'd say is, obviously don't have it on your head. My model Kat has her wig on today, just as a demonstration. But what you would want to do is you want to have it on a head form. So once you have it on the head form, the best thing to do is to add a little bit of water and just a tiny bit of fabric softener into like a little spray bottle or a big spray bottle, whichever you have at home, and just spray it around, because that's going to help soften the fiber. Remember that a synthetic wig is fiber. It is just like fabric. It is plastic. But how do you smooth out fabric? You use a fabric steamer. So what you're going to want to do is to use a comb. Make sure that all your knots are out and into the actual style that you're looking for, that you want to smooth it out. And remember, this is on a synthetic head, not a real head, because you can burn yourself. So what I would do is I will just take my comb in my left hand because I'm right-handed, and I will make sure that all my knots are through, and I will use a steamer right behind it, and it will be a little bit moist, so you just work your way around the head to steam that, and that will actually smooth out all the wrinkles and weird things that are going on in the wig. And that is how you smooth out a synthetic fake wig. My name is Mark Weiss. Thank you for watching. We'll see you again soon.